Here we are, guys. Ganesha Cafe and Farm. This has been on my list for Chiang Mai things to do for a while now. It's not exactly in Chiang Mai. It's about 45 to 50 minutes drive from Chiang Mai. But it is in the Chiang Mai province. And this is the beautiful Ganesha Cafe and Farm over here. You got all these little huts that you can sit on everywhere, and there's nobody here today. And over here is the main star of the show, guys. This is the Ganesha statue over here, and I love these rainbow colored bridges over here. And here he is, beautiful Ganesha. Wow, look at that. That is beautiful. I'm gonna come here later and offer him some food, some of his favorite food apparently as well. So I'll show you guys that later, but it's absolutely magnificent, guys. Beautiful. They've even got the fan on for him up there. That's really cool. Nice touch. And they've got, you know, Ganesha everywhere. They've got his colors, his statues. This is the place to come if you're a Ganesha follower, worshipper. Right up there. Up there, I believe, is the restaurant or the aircon room as well. And then, yeah, they've got these little chairs. They've also got a farm over here, guys, that you can actually feed some farm animals like goats and that sort of thing. So that's really, really cool. I'll show you guys that later as well. But yeah, you know, if you're interested to come here, I'll leave the link in the description. You can also sit down here. I don't know what the weight limit is on these things, but yeah, I really like it. They've even got the rats over there as well, the statues of the rats, because Ganesha obviously has his rats there in front of him usually. Got Anna's dad over here, and yeah, this is where we're sitting, guys. Anna and her mum. We ordered some coffee. Very, very exciting. Oh, they got the gold plates. Sway. Wow. Wow. Gold colored plates and cutlery. That's really cool. I really love this place, guys. I really love it. This is the place to come with your family. The kids will absolutely love it too. If you have children, bring them here as well. They'll especially love the farm animals, guys. Absolutely magnificent. Yeah, guys, of course, we got the somtam ordered. Even here in Chiang Mai, the Isan ladies having somtam. A little bit sour, they say. There you go, look at that. Yeah. Somtam. Sour but good, I think is the consensus, right? Yeah, sour but good. They love the sour food, guys. But yeah, we are here. It's a beautiful day. We are going to Chiang Mai very shortly. Well, we're technically in Chiang Mai province right now, but we are heading to Chiang Mai city very soon to celebrate Yi Peng and Loi Krathong tonight. Very big celebrations tonight in Chiang Mai. There's going to be a large crowd, from what I understand, many people. So it's gonna be fun, guys. We'll keep you posted, but we'll show you guys the food when it arrives. We didn't order really much food. We ordered some offering for Ganesha and some coffees and general drinks like that, and then we're gonna go check out the farm as well before we go on the way out. So beautiful place, guys. Highly recommend it so far. There you go, guys. This is what we're gonna offer to Ganesha. What is the name of this? Ladu. Ladu? Do you know what it is in English? It's like is a coconut flavored balls. Yeah, like coconut flavored balls. We're gonna offer them to Ganesha, and we got latte here. We got strawberry frappe. We got Americano or espresso. Yeah, espresso. Very good. And then we've got for you. What is that?
I don't remember.
You don't remember? What's the order? Strawberry frappe. There we go. Beautiful, guys. And then of course we got the somtam here. Family lunch at Ganesha Cafe and Farm, guys. This is beautiful. Alright, guys, we're gonna take this over to Ganesha. I got my girlfriend behind the camera. Do we take our shoes off here?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
They put it down here.
So I put it here? Okay.
Yeah. And put the incense over here.
Okay. Yep.
We'll take it out and then put another one. Which one?
Let's do this one.
Okay.
So I put it here?
Yeah.
And then we light it up.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, a lot of cans.
And this one,
Oh, the incense.
put it over there.
In the middle?
Yeah.
Anyway?
And then light it up.
So we've got our 2 incenses here, guys. Beautiful Ganesha up here. One's lit up, I think.
Okay, another one. Oh, the fan on.
There we go. There we go. Is it lit up? I can smell it.
Smells good.
It smells very good. One's lit up. Beautiful, guys. So now we can pray, I guess.
Yeah.
And what is this for? It's like a table?
Just go
Or
to.
we kneel? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh God, this hurts. Beautiful Ganesha statue over here. I love the roses and the flowers over here. We've lit the incense. We've offered him some. I believe this is his favorite food over here. This is really sweet. So beautiful, guys. Yeah, up there, guys, you got the goats. The goat house up there. If you can hear them. There they go. And you got these little houses, guys. Look at them. They're really cool. Iron Man. You got Spider-Man. I don't know what that one is. Maybe Captain America. I'm not sure. Really, really cool. Got these little, I think they're called hobbit houses, something like that. That's really, really cool as well. And oh, over here. Yes, okay. Here's it, guys. Here's the front. Oh, there's more stuff over here, guys. Is this the farm over here? Oh, okay. Oh, look, got little piggies, guys. Little piggies. Hello. Little piggies. Ah, so cute. Like a little farm, guys. It's really cool. You got the rat over here. You got the rabbits. Wow. The little rabbits. That's really cool. A lot of rabbits. And over here we got, I don't know what they are. Oh, more, more birds over here. This one's coming close. Hello. Hello. And we got the ducks. These are the ducks, guys, that I mentioned before. Wow, really cool. So yeah, great place to bring the kids, guys. Because if you're, I don't know what's over here. Nothing over there. But yeah, this is really cool, guys. A really cool place to bring your kids. I believe you can feed the pigs some milk. I don't know where you can do that. I might have to ask. I would love to feed them some milk because they look so cute. Look how happy they are. Hello. Hello. Oh, this one's dumping up. Hello, hello. Hello. They're really cute, guys. They're really cute. I want to give them some milk if we can find some. Let's see. Hello. Hello, hello. Hello. Oh my god. You should have seen how happy they are. How happy are you?
Hello.
Oh, one's scared of you. There you go.
Me.
You got my girlfriend. Hello. Can we pet them? No. You want food? You want food, huh? What's the matter? What's the matter? Ooh. What is that? Oh.
แล้วอ่ะอยากกินนมละถ้าเมื่อแล้วเดี๋ยวฟังเพื่อนแล้วแต่มันจะยืด
Wow. Warm milk, guys. Warm milk. This is for the pigs.
อันนี้กินได้แค่หมู
We're gonna feed the
เหรอ
pigs
คะ
with
หรือ
this
น้อง
one.
กินได้ด้วย
น้องกินได้ด้วยค่ะ
Oh, wow.
It's for them also.
Oh, for them too?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Can you feed them?
You're getting some milk. Black and white. You got the right colors. Go pies. There you go. You got the milk. So is this for the fleece, these ones? Or is this for the goats?
For pig and goat.
Oh, for both. So is she gonna give 2 for only the goat or 2 for the 2 each?
No, I just ordered 2.
Okay.
This one for the fish.
Oh, okay. Alright. It's the food for the fish.
โอ้หมวย
Oh.
ขโมยว่ะ
น้อง
Oh, they're very hungry. หิวข้าวไหมหิวข้าว
แม่ให้หนาวคนหนาวกว่าคนหนาวกว่า
You give the carrot, I give the milk, okay?
เรามานี่
เอาไปเลย
So we're gonna film.
ถ้าถือนม
เดี๋ยวไว้
วิ่งตามเลยค่ะถือนมก็ได้นะคะ
Wow. Oh, he doesn't want carrot. No carrot.
ไม่กินอ่ะ
Making carrot. Oh no. Are you full? Who says this place is only for the kids, guys? We can have fun here too. You enjoying that, buddy? You enjoying that?
เอามานี่แมวนี่ลูก
Oh. Nee. Wow, they're really thirsty. Wow, they drink it so quickly. Wow, oh, he's finished. He's finished.
Oi.
Oh, you got milk on your mouth.
Why you want to? หมูเขากินอะไร
He's so
ไหม
cute. You enjoy your milk? You enjoy your milk? He's got milk on his mouth, guys. Look at this one. Yeah. You don't want carrot? Why you don't want carrot? Huh? Why you don't want carrot?
ไม่มี อันที่ให้กินทำไมไม่กิน ไม่กิน อย่ายิงให้มากนัก
I'm gonna feed the pigs some milk. You guys want some milk? You guys want some milk? You want some milk? Oh, oh, oh! Wow, wow, wow! No fighting, no fighting. More for you, more for you, more for you. More for you, buddy. More for you. Okay, okay, okay. More for everybody, guys. More for everybody. More for everybody. Little bit each. Little bit each. Little bit each. Okay. It's okay. I give more to everyone. Okay. I go back. Okay. Oh, yummy. Oh, this guy, you push him out of the way. Okay. Wait. Careful, buddy. Don't push him out of the way. Don't push. There we go. Okay. Okay. More for me. No more.
นี่
Wait. Hey, don't push him. Wait. Alright, you get the last one, okay? You're the last one. Okay. All done. Alright guys, so that is Ganesha Cafe and Farm, guys, in Chiang Mai province. If you guys are interested, I'll leave the link in the description box. You can come and check them out, guys. Highly recommended. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel for upcoming videos in the future. And don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified of any upcoming videos as well. I'll see you guys soon. Cheers.